morning. So welcome back to Sonda. So another day, another blessing. So ito yung unit serves Hyundai Accent. So H4 5x43 24,300 lumens. So 40 watts per bulb tayo. Buksan na natin. So IP68 tayo, so waterproof po tayo. So ito yung ating heatsink. So quad chip, ito yung ating driver. So 50,000 hours, so almost 5 to 6 years ang tinatagal. 3 years and 6 months yung ating warranty. So update namin kayo mamaya sa ating side by side. And then ito yung ating error decoder para sa system. And then ito yung ating rubber pangal sa so yun. Thank you.